Hi everyone, today's video is all about how to drape the Jalu maxi dress pattern. Before we get started, let's get everything ready. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Draw a rectangle 19 by 28 inches or 48 by 71 centimeters. This is your bodice box. Step 2. From the top edge, measure down 11 inches and draw a line. That's your chest line. Step 3. Divide the chest line into 4 equal parts. Step 4. Mark the point at 3/4 of the way across. That's your shoulder point. Step 5. Now divide the remaining section in half and draw a vertical line. From that line, measure down 2.5 inches and mark a point. Step 6. Connect that point to your shoulder point. This creates your shoulder slope. Step 7. From the shoulder point, measure 1.5 inches. That's your shoulder line. Step 8. Using your curve ruler, draw a smooth curve from the shoulder line down to the chest line. This gives you the armhole. Step 9. For the neckline, measure 1.5 inches down from the top at the center. Connect this point to the shoulder point with a gentle curve. Make sure the neckline meets the center line at a 90-degree angle so it will open smoothly on the fold. Go ahead and label this piece back neckline so you don't get it mixed up later. Step 10. For the deeper front neckline, drop it 3 inches down from the center top and draw a smooth curve from this point to the shoulder point. The bodice is all done. Now let's move on to the neckband. First, measure the neckline both front and back. They are slightly different in length, but for now we'll keep them the same and adjust the difference later when we sew. Now draw a rectangle 14.5 by 3.5 inches. This will be your neckband or collar. For the Jalu band, I'm using the neckline casing. You will see how it works later when you get to the sewing part. The casing piece will be 14.5 inches wide and 3/4 inch tall. This time, I'm going to use very narrow straps. Make them 1.25 inches wide by 40 inches long. Finally, let's add the pockets. Pick whatever shape you prefer. I'm using this one. The skirt panel is quite large, so I decided to draw it directly onto the fabric instead of paper. The pattern is completed. Let's cut out everything out. To outline the front neckline, you can punch small holes along the line. That way, it will be much easier to trace directly onto the fabric. To make sewing easier, you can use ready-made ribbon and string instead of drafting your own casing and straps. Next time, we'll sew the Jalu maxi dress together. Make sure to prepare your fabric. Last time, I used a lightweight cotton blend. This time, I'm using some leftover fabrics. You will need at least 3 yards. Thank you so much for following along with me today. Then see you soon.